My bad. How did your wedding go? Give me the gist.
Just again.
About a wedding?
I told you nothing special. See, every wedding life is dependent on the couple. My husband was even playing so cool on that day. I had to ask him if everything was alright, if he was sick. Yes. I'm very serious. And you know it didn't happen in Nigeria. Yes, it happened abroad. So trust me, nothing special.
But there's always, you know, gist when it comes to wedding.
Yes, there's nothing special.
Oh, honey! Welcome.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
I hope your journey was stress-free.
I did.
Okay.
Welcome there.
Thank you. Honey, I need to go inside, okay? I'm so tired. So tired.
Just freshen up. I'll come dish out some food for you immediately.
Okay.
You know what? Let me go attend to my husband.
Okay,
I'll be back. I know there's something you're hiding.
There is nothing.
Honey! Sweetheart! Oh, alright. Come in. Honey, what are you doing?
Trying to prepare something for you.
Come on, I told you not to bother yourself, okay? I thought I was going to get you something.
You did, but I miss my home. I miss my kitchen. Come on.
There you go again. Please stop. You just go back from the hospital. I need you to rest. You don't need to bother yourself. Rest until you get back on your feet, then you can continue with this, okay?
Baby, I am on my feet. Don't worry, let me just make the sauce then.
I said no. Please, let's go. I got you something. You like it? You need to be strong, honey, please.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright. Okay, you might try it down, right?
Let's cover that.
Let's go. I'll come back and finish up, okay? Don't worry, I'll make the sauce for you myself. You want more stew? I'll just add a little for you. Okay, so you have to eat. Alright? Take. Yeah. Please, you have to manage it, okay? Please. Honey, please, you need to eat. I beg you.
I will. But I would have loved it more if I prepared it myself. You know I love to cook, don't you?
I do, I know. Okay? Come on. You just need to eat this, okay?
Why are you treating me like I'm handicapped?
Come on, honey, I'm not the one here. Okay, I'm not the one that caused it. Look, your checkup is in 4 days' time, okay? So as soon as the doctor says you're good to go, then you can go back to your normal life. Alright? For now, all I need you to do is just sit, eat, sleep, and rest. Okay? Avoid anything that's going to stress you. Please. Look, I need you to finish this food and take your drugs. Okay? So while you're resting, I can quickly go pick the children up from school. Now it's 2 p.m. already.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. So let me quickly get you your water and your drugs. Alright? But make sure you finish this food before I come back. Let's end. Alright. Just a minute. Hello? Good afternoon. Yes, how is the family? Well, I thank God. I mean, we thank God she's recovering. She's fast recovering. What? You mean the family land? Wow, that's I mean that's a nice news. That's great. But the problem now I mean this information is coming to me at the time that I am completely penniless. Yes, right now I am seriously cashless. Well, no problem. I'll see what I can do about it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will try and call you before then. All right. Please, my regards to your family. Thank you. What do I do? And I'm only doing my best, you know. Yes. Man has to double his hustling. I mean, I have to hustle more. All right, no problem. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you, I appreciate it. Bye. Who do I call right now? Who do I call? Alex. Alex? Oh, let me call Austin. Austin. Alright. Austin. Yeah, man. How you doing? It's been ages. How is the family? How's everyone? Brother, all is not well. I have to be sincere, all is not well at all. Yes, I'm saying the truth, you know. I mean, the more I hustle, the more it's as if I'm not even putting effort. And the more I hustle, the more empty I become. Bro, grand no level, grand no level at all. Bro, I don't know, I seriously need your help. I don't know how financially buoyant you are. Please, I need financial assistance right now. Yes. Like, it's very, very urgent. I don't know if you can lend me, I mean, any amount. I promise I'll pay back. This Saturday? Ah, Austin, thank you so much. Thank you, man. I mean, you're a lifesaver. I promise I'll pay back. Thank you. I'll be expecting. Okay? Alright, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hey. Emeka called me.
Okay.
He called to inform me that our family land is about to be shared. He said any interested married man should pay the sum of 150,000 naira. Yeah. And I've called everyone. I mean, I've made all the necessary calls I need to make to see if I can raise the fund, but all to no avail. It's not working. I'm just confused.
Well, why now?
Same thing I asked myself immediately after the call. I mean, look at me. I am penniless. I am empty. Look at the children's school fees is there. I've not paid a dime. Even the endoscopy the doctor prescribed that I'm going to do for you, I have not paid a dime. I mean, I don't even know where to start from. It's just so bad that the only money I have with me right now is just 27,000 naira. That's what I have left in my account.
Okay, baby, how about I call my sister? Yes, I'll call her to see if she can, raise something for us. That could work. I mean, she's my sister. I know she'll want to help me. So, definitely, I'll just call her and see what she can do for us.
You think she can help?
We'll try. Don't worry. I'm sure everything will just work out fine. And you will have your own share of the family land.
My love, how? How is that even possible when I've not paid a dime? I don't even have money anywhere. It's just so bad that...
You know what? Can you stop lamenting? Don't worry. We're in this together. I'm sure we'll come up with something. Together, we're stronger. Relax. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
I love you more.
For minutes with your wrong packing. Huh? I'm talking to you, sir.
What is it? What is...
Wait.
Eunice?
It's a lie. Chidi!
No, it's a lie. Look at you.
Oh my God!
Look at you.
Look at you! It's been so long, like 8 years, right?
Yeah, 8 years.
Chidi, you stay in this city?
Yeah, I stay in this city. And you? You stay here?
Not really, but yes, I moved in 3 days ago. I've just been transferred.
Okay.
Yeah, I came to meet the agent helping me to get an apartment.
All right. So, have you seen him already?
Yes, but I don't really like the houses I saw.
All right.
And you, what's up with you?
My life, a lot. I mean, it's a long story. So much is happening around me now. Like, my life is piled up with so much problems at the moment. You know what? I wouldn't want to start boring with my sad stories. Okay, let me just have your number and we'll talk over the phone.
Oh, okay. Let me have yours.
All right.
Yes, then. Yeah, you can put in yours.
All right. Here is my number.
Let me call you right away.
Okay.
It should be ringing.
All right. I actually rushed out to get some medication for my wife that she's going to take this afternoon.
Oh, your wife is sick?
Yeah. Part of the story I'm talking about.
It's a pity.
It's okay. We'll talk over the phone. Okay?
Yeah, we'll talk.
All right.
Come on, Chidex.
So good to see you.
Good to see you too.
All right. You take care of yourself, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I'm sorry for...
Oh, it's okay. It's fine.
Please just take me to the hospital. I don't want to die here. Let it be that the doctor saw me in my current state and they didn't do anything about it, but please don't let me die here.
I will take you to the hospital, okay? I promise. I'll take you to the hospital. Oh, please, baby. Please, your choice of words is killing me. It's killing me. You're not going to die. Nothing will happen to you, baby. You're not going to leave us, the children and I. Please.
No,
Stop crying.
I really do not want to die, but I don't want to die either. I cherish every moment I've spent with you, but this pain is killing me. It's killing me. Please just take me to the hospital. Let me see a doctor.
Wait, I'll take you to the hospital first. Baby. You need to take your medication, okay? I believe it's going to relieve you. Let me just quickly get you water. Let me get water. Please, I'm coming. Please. All is not well. Yes, I rushed her to the hospital same yesterday. As we speak, she's on admission. The doctor said her condition is critical, so they must place her on admission. Look, the point is, I am so confused and broke at the moment. I am very broke. Okay, I'll call you as soon as I'm less busy at the hospital. Yes, I quickly rushed down to pick up a few things for her. I'm going back to the hospital. All right, I'll call you. All right, bye.
Come on. You don't have to be too hard on yourself.
Oh, God. How did I get into this mess? The world has tossed me about like it does. My wife is critically sick. Critically sick. Presently, she's on a drug that we import from China. A dose of that drug costs 67,000 naira. All my innings, every dime, everything I have gone into this her treatment. I mean, what am I even saying? I'm even able to foot the bill for the drugs through the help of friends, friends and people who visit the hospital to render help and prayers. Everything I have, everything is gone. Oh, God. It's okay. Will I ever come out of this? Ines.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. Easy.
Thank you so much. I didn't know you were going to make that time for us. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Can you come and sit?
Oh, no, don't worry, I'll stand. Please sit. So, how is she?
She's fine. She's fine. Thank God.
She'll be fine.
So, these things you brought, are they for us?
Of course they are.
Oh, come on, Eunice. You shouldn't have stressed yourself. She doesn't eat anything.
Don't bother. Okay. She'll be fine, she'll be fine.
Thank you. Alright, I'll take them home for the children. Okay?
Oh, if you say so, but I got something for them as well.
Ah,
Yes.
thank you so much, Ines. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you too. You're a good husband.
Thank you.
Okay, don't worry, she'll be fine. You need to go to the hospital.
I'm just confused. I mean, everything that requires money just clustered at the same time. I just don't know what to do. Like, the land, my wife's health, my children's school fees, even my rent. Like, I've tried several to see how I can apply for a loan, but it wasn't successful because I've not liquidated the previous one. I'm just confused. Like, I wish I knew what to do.
So, in other words, you haven't paid for the surgery.
I have, but
But what?
it's not enough. I mean, the money I paid for, it's not complete. Okay, I am just bothered. I mean, that is exactly what has been disturbing me since I came here. I don't know how to bother you. I don't know how to tell you.
How much more are we talking about?
50,000 naira.
50,000 naira? Is that why you're bothered? It's fine. Don't worry, I'll make a transfer to you immediately. Just send me your details, I'll make the transfer. Then I'll come see you at the hospital later.
Eunice, are you serious?
Don't bother, I'm serious. Just send me and I'll make a transfer, okay?
Thank you so much, Eunice. Thank you.
Okay, come on.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Fine.
I'm
It's
grateful.
Fine. Stop.
Oh, I'm so sorry, okay? So sorry keeping you waiting, okay?
It's okay, Chibi. It's okay.
You can say that again. Well, thank you. And I thank God for everything. Now my wife can eat anything. Anything. I actually came back from the hospital so I can prepare her favorite myself.
You are indeed a good husband, I must say.
Stop flattering me. And you're a wonderful soul.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I mean, if not for you, who knows what would have happened? Not everybody would have even have the courage or the little conscience to help us the way you did. Now I am faced with the the hospital bill. Yeah.
Oh, you've been billed?
No, not yet. But the balance for the surgery is 350,000. Come on, I'm just getting prepared, okay? You know how expensive it is in this country, just 1 day admission. See us now, we spent 2 months plus. You will not die.
I told you, you have nothing to worry about. Well, that's one of the reasons I'm here.
Do you want to help me with this too?
Yes. And I also got you a job.
Come on, Venus, come here. Come here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
I have
Thank
a
you.
slot for you, and I believe you're the best for the position.
How could I ever say thank you? I mean, how could I ever say thank you enough?
It's okay.
God bless you. You're such a darling. Such a darling.
The job is yours.
Thank you.
But on one condition.
Am I doing the right thing? Should I tell Kate? Kate is still recuperating. I don't know how she's going to take this. I don't know how she's going to take this. We need to live all right. We need to bounce back.
Thank you. Feels good to be home. I've missed home. Oh, where are my kids?
I dropped them with the Uzis. You know, I dropped them there before coming to the hospital. I'll just go pick them up later, right?
Okay, that's
So
fine.
good to have you back. So let me quickly turn on the heater so you can take your bath and freshen up. So sorry.
I'm grateful to you, and I'll forever be. Thank God you intervened when you did. Just right on time.
I don't like this. I truly don't like it. You talk like I did too much. Chidi is my friend, a very good one at that. I did what I was supposed to do. I mean, God has blessed me with money, so I should help people.
Regardless, I'm thankful. Thank you. Honey, you didn't bring the meat for her?
I'm okay. I told you I'm fine.
But you'll be fine with just this, and you're not even drinking it at that. Listen, I made the meat specially for you. You will like it.
You worry yourself too much. I know you now, we're friends. There's always a next time.
If you say so.
I say so. I'm fine.
Honey.
Yes.
Let me allow both of you to get along, okay?
Okay.
I'll see you soon. Mhm.
Man, always looking for every opportunity to go chill out with your friends.
Of course.
Hello, Eunice.
Hi there. How you doing? I'm sure you are fully recovered.
Well, I thank God I'm fine. I'm just indoors, waiting for the 2 weeks to elapse, like the doctor instructed, before I start going out.
It's no longer far.
Thank you. So, how are you? What's up with you?
Many things, oh, but let me tell you the most important. I am getting married.
What? For real? Oh my God! For real? Do you know, I was beginning to even ask myself if all these men out there are blind. You're supposed to be off the market before now. Long ago. Congratulations, darling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell me, when is the wedding? Because I cannot wait to come and eat rice and dance very well for you.
My dear, it's not in Nigeria. The wedding is happening in Australia. That's where he stays and it's taking place next week.
Next week? My darling, why didn't you even consider me? Eh? You know my condition. What am I even talking about? The location is already a barrier. I can't even make it in the first place. But not to worry. I'll make sure Chidi attends. Even if it means borrowing, one of us has to attend. And I'll make sure Chidi comes.
Thank you. That's the reason I called you first. I've not even told him.
You have nothing to worry about. I'll tell him. He will have to attend. Don't stress yourself, girl. Besides, you have a lot to plan, so if there's no time for you anymore. If not, I would have even told you to bring the invitation by yourself, at least to formally invite us. But I know the time is short and you have a lot to work on, so it's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, darling. Bye. Honey,
Yeah, babe.
Eunice is getting married.
Wow. So sudden.
She said next week.
What?
Baby, you have to attend her wedding at least.
You know, only she actually told me about it. Okay. Yeah, she told me that a guy visited her parents, asking for her hand in marriage. I never knew the wedding was going to be so sudden and so fast.
My darling, I was shocked. But you know what? You need to attend her wedding. It's very important you do. Yes, at least to say thank you for all she's done for us.
Is that what you want?
Of course. There's no need to contemplate. That's what I want. You will grace her wedding.
Eunice!
My babies! How are you, boy? How are you?
Eunice! What?
Good to Oh, thank you, my baby. Thank
Eunice,
you.
what are you doing here with this bag?
We had the boy. Good to see you. You're welcome.
Oh, come on!
Anyway, I have come to possess my position.
What?
And please, do not disturb. My condition doesn't need it.
Your condition? Oh, what condition?
Are you going to show me to my room now or... Oh, don't worry.
Please, just sit here and come. I do not know what you're planning or what you're up to. But whatever it is, stay the hell away from my wife.
Okay. Welcome, my darling friend.
Good evening. You came.
Oh yes, I came the day before yesterday. I'm sorry I didn't inform you. Okay? My house was affected by the governor's demolition.
Oh,
All my properties gone. So sad.
oh my God. It's a pity. So sorry about it.
It's fine.
I know you told me you lived around that area, but I never knew yours would be affected. Oh my God. So tell me, how are you coping?
Oh, my darling, I'm coping well. I told my husband about it and he's gonna do something very soon.
So sorry about it once again.
Fine. You know how it can be. It's fine.
Anyway, you know what? Feel at home. Relax. You're okay here, okay? Let me go inside, change, freshen up, then I'll come out for some gist if you feel up to it,
Sorry,
okay?
what gist?
Your wedding gist, of course. I need to hear all the nitty-gritty about your wedding.
Kate, there is nothing to talk about. No gist.
Of course,
No, that's nothing to talk about.
I refuse, Eunice. Trust me, there is so much gist to talk about. I'll be right out.
I've been looking for.
Your meal tasted super nice. I hope she didn't stress you in cooking.
He didn't. Besides, I can't be here and let him cook. Come on now.
I understand, but he's not supposed to push his responsibility to a visitor. That's all wrong. He's supposed to do it himself.
Who's the visitor? Me. Sorry. Oh, please, I'm no longer a visitor.
My bad. My bad. I'm truly sorry. Don't mind me. But still, you should have just done something about it. Anyway, my bad. How did your wedding go? Give me the gist.
Just again.
About the wedding.
I told you nothing special. See, every wedding life is dependent on the couple. My husband was even playing so cool on that day. I had to ask him if everything was alright, if he was sick. Yes. I'm very serious. And you know it didn't happen in Nigeria. Yes, it happened abroad. So trust me, nothing special.
There's always, gist when it comes to wedding.
Yes, there's nothing special.
Oh, honey! Welcome.
You're back.
Yes, I am.
I hope your journey was stress-free.
I did.
Okay.
Welcome there.
Thank you. Honey, I need to go inside, okay? I'm so tired. So tired.
Just freshen up. I'll come dish out some food for you immediately.
Okay.
You know what? Let me go attend to my husband.
Okay, it's
I'll
fine.
be back. I know there's something you're hiding.
There is nothing.
Honey,
Yeah, babe.
we promised to tell each other everything. Yet, you housed your friend without my knowledge.
I'm sorry, okay, but come on. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Because I know that eventually you're going to consent, okay? Although I tried reaching you, yeah, I called you severally, but come on now, you know how epileptic the network in our village is, so I'm sorry.
At least you should have told me the time we spoke.
Yeah, you're correct, okay, but I'm sorry, I guess my mind got occupied with
It's
so many
okay.
things. I'm
It's
sorry.
fine. I was just surprised seeing her and learning that she has spent 2 days already. But it's alright. Besides, you didn't tell me that our wedding was not groovy. She said our groom was acting all cold as if he was sick. Why didn't you gist me?
Oh. Well, I didn't notice that. Come on now. I didn't. I guess I was just getting to meet the groom for the first time, so I was thinking that you know, that's his personality. So
Whatever.
no, babe. Enough of the talks already.
Okay.
Can we go back to sleep? I'm so tired. Okay, I'm having headache already.
Sleep? Really? I've been away for 4 days. I just got back and you're talking about sleep. Who is sleeping tonight? Definitely not me. The kids are sleeping. You and I were not sleeping.
You're spoiled, you know. I'm tired.
Come on, you're not tired. You and I know you're not tired. Eunice. I refuse to believe that you've been on this all day. It means if you're to do all the dishes in this house, we'll probably wait for you for 1 full year. Oh God, oh God, oh God, simply means we won't eat for 1 year. That's quite painful. You're such a troubleshooter.
I know. Don't worry,
Please, just worry.
I'm almost done.
Okay, please. Just hurry up because I need to start cooking.
Alright.
Okay, let's
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. You're not dancing. Kenna is winning you already. Kenna shark, do. Kenna shark, do. Kenna shark, baby shark, do. Baby shark, do. Baby shark. Shark, do, baby. Shark, do, baby. Shark, give me 5. That's my boy. Let's go on. Kenny, shark, do, Kenny, shark, do, Kenny, shark. Oh, that's my boy. Give me 5.
no wonder they are quiet. They've seen what they want. You know, they always disturb me to sing and dance with them, but
I know you won't.
what's that time?
I know you won't. You won't have their time.
Anyway, since you're busy with them, let me be busy with my phone.
Okay. Baby, let's continue because you're winning your brother. Okay? Baby, chaka do, baby, chaka do. Yeah?
Lest I forget, your wedding photos, are they not out yet?
No, not yet.
This long?
I'm even surprised myself. But I'll ask my husband if he has received any pictures. I think the reason is because we paid for the electronic type of album.
Yeah, I am thinking they do things better than us here. But that notwithstanding, it's not supposed to take this long, electronic or not. Come on. Tell me. Is it that no one even took any pictures, during the event? Say, captured any moments or something?
I doubt. My husband, Theo, is a very private person. And no one was allowed to snap in the venue except the paid photographer.
Wow. That's absurd, though.
That's what he wanted. And we just had to do it his way. Yeah, but baby, please, let's continue our dance. Baby is not dancing. Baby, chak. Kene, when I give birth to you, boy, you come and teach my son how to dance.
Come here, baby. Come here, baby.
Kene, chak. Give me 5. You good. Continue like this. Kate, your phone has been ringing. Hurry up! Kate!
Who is that
It's
again?
ringing. It's ringing.
Hello? Yes, I'm his wife. Accident? Which hospital?
I'll be there shortly. I'll just call his friend. He's closer. And I'll come. Thank you.
What is it? Talk to me. What is it?
Chidi, he was involved in an
Involved in-
accident.
What?
I want to... Where's Patrick? Okay. Hello, Patrick. Yes, Chidi, he was involved in an accident. No, Faithful Hospital in Okigwe was on his way back. Please, can you just hurry there? I'll join you. Let me just get one or two things and I'll come over. I'm already on my way. Okay, I'm coming with you. Hurry.
How? Please. Kate! What nonsense is this now? How? Kate, hurry! Hey.
Okay. So soon?
What's the development? Tell me.
That was Patrick. He said he's on his way to this place.
Just like that. What's happening? What's going on? God, take control, please.
Patrick,
Hi, how are you?
why is my husband?
He's fine, okay? He's fine. Just sit.
Well, why is he not here with you?
Can you just sit?
Okay. Oh, sorry, forgive my manners. Please come in.
Kate.
Yes. Do they need money?
Sorry, we lost Chidi.
Excuse me? What?
He died almost immediately. And he was confirmed dead even before I got there. Well, I've deposited his body in the mortuary. Since there was no relative.
So this is the forever Chidi promised me. Why would you just die and leave me? Why would he die? Why would he die? Look at my two children, what will I do? Death has cheated me, oh. Death has cheated me. Patrick, are you sure my husband is dead? Are you sure you saw him? No. Chidi will not leave me like this. No, 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 no. Ah. Ah. This is too much to bear. Oh, this is too much to bear.
Me without any proper or formal introduction. No. Eunice, don't break down.
Mom, Chidi is dead. Should have fought that. He's a strong man. He should have fought that like how we fought everything together. Every problem we faced, he has always fought for us. He should have just stayed strong this time. Uncle, take a good look at me. My 2 kids. Am I not too young to be a widow? Where do I start from? What do I do? Chidi shouldn't have left me. How do I start to face this wicked world by myself? How, Uncle? How?
You should get hold of yourself, Kate. I mean, move back to your normal life. God. I know, Chidi.
You're welcome, sir.
When did she come here?
You know her?
I think we've met.
Well, Uncle, she's Chidi's friend. She's one of those that was affected by the ongoing demolition by the state government. So she's staying here with us for now. Trust me, Uncle, she's been really helpful. It's because of her I'm still standing. She's helped me a lot.
Chidi's friend. I see. That's nice. Nah. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Kate.
Uncle.
It is better we bury him now. Keeping him in the mortuary is not the best option. Huh? He needs to be buried. What do you think?
First off, thank you. You've been of great help this past few weeks. I know you've made up your mind to leave, and I can't stop you. But I'd like to plead with you to attend the funeral. At least, come to the village a day before the funeral. Please.
You have nothing to worry about. Okay? I'll surely be there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, take care of yourself. And the kids too.
Always.
Locating this place.
Not at all, not at all.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome.
Please, let's go inside.
Let's go.
Mama, come. August visitor, come.
Mama.
Let me introduce you to. This is my precious mother-in-law.
Oh.
And Eunice, Mommy, meet Eunice.
Mama.
This is Chidi's friend.
Good afternoon, Mama. Afternoon, Mama.
Mama, she's Chidi's friend.
I've heard.
Please, let's go inside. Oh yeah, maybe let's go inside. Good. Come. Let's go. Yes. Mama, Hi. Yeah, Mama.
Huh? How do I break this news to Kate? Huh? She needs to know before the burial. And the burial is in 6 days' time. How?
I hope the journey was not so stressful.
No, not at all. I wonder, how have you been coping with these kids?
What to do now?
Especially Francis.
Francis has always been Francis.
That boy.
He's been Francis as usual. Mama? Mama, do you need me to cook anything?
No, I will take care of myself.
Okay, Mama.
Your husband friend, right?
Yes, Mama.
You will put her in your room. Was it yours?
No, Mama, she will stay in my room. It's not a problem at all.
What?
Yes, well, at least let's give the other room to the other visitors that are coming.
Just be careful.
You know, don't mind my mother-in-law. African mothers, they always think that everything is about witchcraft and everything. Don't mind her, she'll come around. She's still mourning her son. He's our only son. You know how it is.
Mama, I do not know how you want to tell her. Just tell her however you want to. She's still going to find out. I am here to bury my husband. And I want to do it right, as custom demands, as his wife.
As the eldest and father in this family, I call this family meeting to let everybody know the situation of the relationship in this family.
Uncle, I don't mean to interrupt you, but how can you call this a family meeting? Yet you insisted on having Eunice in attendance.
6 months ago, Chidi, our son, your husband, was here, and he said he wanted to take another wife. He sat just where you're sitting right now.
Uncle, please. It's still too early. You should have waited till evening to pull this joke. Come on. Is it that you've visited Papa Ibuka today? You've taken some cups of palm wine, right?
Kate, we were shocked as you are. We tried to discourage him. But a week later, he came back with Eunice here, your acclaimed friend, Chidi's friend. To cut the long story short, after we discouraged him, he actually went at our backs and paid some men to go see our parents. Chidi even tried taking his own life, telling us that was his condition from getting money from Eunice for your treatments.
Kate, all uncles just said here is the truth and nothing but the truth. You see, as a mother, Chidi was so stubborn and wouldn't change his mind. So, I decided to approach Eunice. What have you done to my son? No, Eunice, tell me. If after years, my son brought you home and I didn't accept you, what makes you think I will accept you now? Eh, Eunice? When my son have a good wife that has given me adorable kids, Eunice, why are you doing this? Eunice, because please, have a rethink now. Eh? Are you not a woman? Have you ever sit down and think, what will the wife be feeling if she finds out? No, how will she feel if she finds out? No, Inechekwadia. Eunice, you are a woman. Have some rethink. Pico, please just leave my son alone. Just go. Go. See, there are other men that can ask your hand for marriage. Must it be my son? Eh? Please, because must it be him? Nembiko, if you love my son that much, don't break his home. Please don't don't just destroy his marriage. My yoga, okay, name for you. Miss Biko. Ha, Biko, I am begging you. Eh? Okay.
Mama,
if it is because of the money you've been given to us to help treat my daughter-in-law, just give us some time. Eh? We'll gather the money and give you with interest. Because you are not Eunice.
Mama, Biko. I'm not God, so I don't know why you're kneeling. Okay, Mama. Let me refresh your memory. I loved your son. We loved each other so much. But you refused him marrying me because of your selfish interest. And now that I have the opportunity to be with the man I love the second time, you want me to give up on him? Mba, Mama, it's not possible. It's not possible. Your son is the one man that I have ever truly loved. Okay, Mama, let's say that this is a payback. Yes, for the way you treated me back then. Mama, I cried. Mama, I knelt down, I begged you, I rolled on the floor. Mama, you didn't listen to me. And now you think this your plea will make me change my mind. Mbano, it's not possible, Mama. I'm here to stay, and I will stay. Mama, My darling husband. He's waiting for me inside. Eh? Let me go and meet him. Hi.
That was how Eunice was married into our family. And I've been battling with this. Sis, trying to keep this to myself. Because she said we shouldn't let you know. That if we do, you will not survive the shock. Chidi. Oh, Chidi. See what you've caused. You're not even here to tell the story to your lovely wife.
You? My husband's wife. My husband's wife?
Are you happy now? I hope you're happy being a widow after 6 months of marriage.
Dead man marry. She didn't tell me he married you when he was alive. You can't possibly be his wife right now that he's dead. I do not care the deal you had with his parents. I do not care. Whatever they are saying that does not concern me. In fact, whatever you're doing inside, finish it, complete it, come out here, pack your filthy belongings and get out of this compound. I am Chidi's only wife, and so it will remain. Nothing will change. Rubbish. I hope you didn't come back. Hey! Kate! I give you 1 minute to return my belongings where they were.
Hey, as what? Tell me. Your daughter or your neighbor or what exactly? Listen, I am not Chidi. I'm not Chidi you can force or blackmail to marry you. As for me, I'm a whole different species. You don't order me around.
1 minute. And my belongings are not inside where they were. I will show you that this pregnancy is not weakness. What is it? Mama, talk to your son's wife.
As you can see, I threw her filthy belongings outside. She does not belong here.
Why? Why do you throw her things outside? Why?
She does not belong here now, Mama. Why are you still asking me? She does not belong here.
Hey, Chidi. Have you seen what you've caused? Is there any Hano? What did you just do? Am I not talking to you? What did you just do? Hey!
Were you talking to me?
I was talking to myself.
Oh, better. Thank God you know. Because the last time I checked, you were not blind. Are you? Can't you see that I just spread my wrappers on the rope? So why are you asking me again?
Kate, what did you just do? Come back here, I'm talking to you!
Ah! Are you stupid? Is it because I've been quiet all the while? What is wrong with you? Have you gone nuts?
You slapped me.
No, I slapped myself.
You slapped me!
No, I slapped myself.
Enough! Just stop. Eunice, do you realize you are pregnant? Huh? No. What I could gather from all these your quarrels and fights is that you want to kill me too. You want to bury me. Do you know that tongue wags? And you keep giving them headlines. Well, if you are comfortable with the gossips, I am not. At least respect your husband. Allow him to rest in peace.
Respect, Mama. You speak of respect, Mama. Tell me, did any one of you respect me? And here you are talking of respect. Have I not been respectful enough? Mama, you are also a woman. And this is my husband's house. Did you for once respect me, Mama? You consented to this marriage. I guess you're happy. No, take a chair and just sit, watch the movie as it unveils. Begin to clap as we are acting it out for you, Mama. I never consented to this. I wasn't invited. I did not know about this, Mama. Mama, if you want peace to reign in this house, it's very simple. Tell her to leave my things. Tell her to leave my belongings. That way, we'll live in peace. She should stay away from everything that concerns me. And that's fine now.
Very funny. What do you have? Just your life. Everything you claim you have are all mine. But I don't want to talk to you, Kate. Mama, tell Kate to stay away from everything that concerns me. I do not care if she accepts me or not. Tell her to leave me alone.
You should stay away from me.
Where did I ever wrong you? Tell me where I have wronged you. You stabbed me so hard in my heart. Why did you betray me? Why? Why did you do this to me? You brought in Eunice to our home. You told me she was your friend. And I treated her as such. I never knew you both were fooling me. You both made me your fool. Why did you cheat me this much, Chidi? Why? I loved you. I loved you with everything. Why did you do this to me? I never would have believed a day will come that this will happen. But this is now my reality. And you are not even here to answer to it. Tell me, my love, why are you not talking to me? Why are you not speaking to me? Tell me anything, and I will take it. Would you talk to me? Tell me all of this is a dream. Tell me this is not real. Tell me I will wake up from this nightmare. Tell me this isn't happening. I just want to hear your voice. Just one more time. Do not go silent on me. Chidi, please just talk to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Tell me I've wronged you and I will apologize for all my wrongdoings. Tell me whatever you want and I will do it. But don't leave me with this burden. Don't leave me like this. Don't do this to me. Judy. What did I do to you? What did I do to you? Why are you doing this to me? This isn't fair to me. This is not fair. My heart is breaking. I can't live like this.
Now that our son, your husband, has been buried, Kate, Eunice, the properties has to be shared between both of you. Do you have any problem with that?
We do not have any problem with it, sir.
It's all right, Uncle. Even if there's no one to share it with.
Actually, we had to ascertain what he had in the bank. What he had in the bank was not much. But whatever it is will be shared between both of you. And Chidi also had an unoccupied building and an undeveloped land with a car.
He didn't have a car. The car is mine. His got damaged during the accident. Except perhaps you want to repair it.
Now we have resolved the issue about the unoccupied building. It will be Will Jikedichukwu, his first son.
And my unborn child.
We will share the land, sell the damaged car, and build a dwarf wall around the land. And when your apartment expires, you both can find your ways to the village. Who has anything to say about this? Kate, you're the first wife. Let's hear what you have to say.
Uncle, you have spoken very well. But please, she won't move back with me into the apartment. Yes, for peace to reign. Besides, I do not want to be deceived a second time.
You lie.
That's all I have to say.
You lie.
Eunice, what do you have to say?
Uncle, I do not like the way you shared the house. We all know Chidi was the only son, as a matter of fact, the only child. And as that, this is his inheritance. And now willed to Kenechukwu. Fine. If you now will the uncompleted building to Kenechukwu, what will my son call his? Except you want to tell me that my son has nothing in his father's house. And if Kate doesn't agree to that, then I will tell her that I'm legally married to Chidi.
Then we'll know if your marriage is actually will not be pronounced null and void when the court finds out that my husband was already married to me and deceived me and married you. Excuse me, Uncle.
Kate!
Kate!
Mama, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, Kate,
Mama,
please. Take good care of yourself and the children.
I will, Mama.
And remember to do all your uncle said you should do. Okay?
That's fine. It's okay.
No.
Can I say bye to Grandma?
Bye.
Bye, my
Once
son.
say bye to Grandma. Tell Grandma bye. Bye.
Bye, love. Study your pose, eh? And make grandma proud, okay?
Yes, Grandma.
Go, chop now, go. Bam! Let's go.
Okay, Mama.
Hope you're not forgetting anything.
No, they're all inside the
It's
car.
alright.
It's 2 plots of land. Oh, the deed of lease and the certificate of occupancy is also available. Sure, you can get it tomorrow. Alright, thank you.
Kate. That land, I bought it in a strategic position. Though I used Chidi's name to buy it, do not sell it. Rather, let's do as Uncle Arinze has said. We'll share it into 2.
Why are you poke-nosing into my affairs? I wasn't talking to you. Wake up. Wake up from your dream. Snap out of it. Listen, I cohabited with you as my husband's friend. I will not stay with you in the same house as a neighbor or even as a woman married to my husband. Okay? So stop sticking your nose in my business. We are not friends.
Do not sell the land, even your own part of the land. Instead, I'll buy it from you.
Says the woman who has all the money in the world. You think money is everything? Is that what you think?
You think this is about money? Money is in everything. You know what? Let's wait for tomorrow.
Try it. Try it and I'll prove to you that I'm equal to all your tasks. Yes, I can dance to any music. High life, hip hop, blues, reggae, anything, whatever. I will dance to it. Whatever you have, serve.
Let me ask you a question, Eunice. Do you think you can ever win this fight? Let's assume I accept you as Chidi's second wife. Your marriage to my husband is still null and void, meaning invalid. Good thing you wedded him in court. But did you remember to tell the court that he was still married as at the time you were marrying him? Neither the court nor the church can wed a man who is already married except he is divorced, which is not the case in our own situation. So, if I decide to file a case in court, you do not stand a chance, even with the little traditional marriage you had with him. The only reason I'm allowing you the opportunity to be Chidi's wife is because I truly believe he's the father of the unborn child growing in your womb. So do not take my simplicity for stupidity, Eunice. You may have all the money in the world, but I have my wisdom. Like I said, Eunice, do not take my simplicity for stupidity.
This is wisdom. When you're done, get out. Same way you came in. Please, stay on your lane while I stay on my own lane. You're not the only person that loved Chidi. I made sacrifices for him even before you met him. So please, do not add to my sorrow.
I'm sure this same obsessive nature of yours was what made Chidi not to marry you in the first place. You had to blackmail and force him to marry you. Isn't that too sad? What a sad life for you. What kind of a woman forces a man to marry her? Next time, do not come to my kitchen to give me orders on what to do. You can just disappear and no one will even know what happened to you.
Do you know I can stab you and nobody's going to say anything about it? Come to think of it, you're always acting like you killed him so that I won't enjoy my marriage, right?
You're the one with the whole money. And what's to say you didn't kill him?
Kate, be careful.
Just breathe, relax, relax, just breathe, okay?
I can't.
No, relax. It's gonna pass, relax. Sorry. Calm down, relax, steady. No, you can't move now. Just take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out. After all your promises, Chidi, you left me in the middle of a deep sea. Why? Why are you not here to explain everything to me? To tell me why you brought in another woman, your wife, in disguise of her being your friend. Why, Chidi? I know you. I know you to be a kind and loving husband, a great father to our kids. Why did you do this to me? We never used to hide anything from each other. But you chose to hide this from me. Why did you allow someone to buy your conscience with money? Yes, I survived this disease. But I can't survive this. I can't survive this lie. I shouldn't hear this from someone else. I should hear it from you. Our watchword has always been honesty. Why? Why hide the truth from me and comfort me with lies instead? You yourself never, ever, because that's always been our watchword. Why this time? Why did you hurt me like this? Why are you not here to talk to me? This is not fair, Chidi. This isn't fair. Because I love you. And you've betrayed my love. You have betrayed my trust. You shouldn't have done this. You shouldn't have done this to our kids. You had no right to do this.
My love. Now that you're finally mine,
Okay.
you remain mine forever. I will love you, cherish you.
Okay.
I will carry you along in everything I do.
I hope so.
I promise. I will never hurt you intentionally.
Mm.
And no man, no woman will ever come between us. I love you.
I love you more.
I love you so much.
I love you more. Oh, my darling. My love. The husband of my youth. The father of my unborn children. I will always love you. I'll respect you. I'll cherish you
Mm-hmm.
today,
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
forever.
I love you, baby.
I love you more.
I have had no peace since all this. Chidi is no more. But my unborn child needs to grow in his father's house. Do I tell him I chickened out just because his stepmom didn't want me to fight for his rights? I can't leave. So what should I do? Chidi wouldn't have married me if I didn't push for it. Kate doesn't deserve this at all. I've taken time to advise myself. I wronged you. I'm sorry. You have a beautiful soul. A welcoming heart. I see you as an elder sister. Though I may be older than you. Somehow you pushed me to do most of the things I did. But it's fine. I understand you're fighting for your rights. I'm sorry I utilized the opportunity your health presented to marry your husband. I had no ulterior motive marrying him. I just wanted him. Since I couldn't fall in love with any other man after we broke up. That's why I was still single then. I promise you I didn't plan to scatter your marriage. I thought we could all live together in peace. But I was wrong. I was wrong. I was just a lady in love. I just wanted to be a second wife to the man I love at all costs. Kate, please forgive me. I am truly sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I loved you as my husband's friend. I took you as my own sister. I was deeply hurt when you and Chidi made a fool of me. But I love my husband. Even in death, I still love him. And I don't want to hurt him. So yes, even if I want you to leave for the sake of my sanity, I can't. Because I know he would have wanted his child to meet his siblings. So you can stay if you want to.
I'm sorry. My mind is made up. I'm leaving. I love Chidi so much. I don't want to be the reason his family is unhappy.
It's fine if your mind is made up. I won't stop you. Take care.
Take care of yourself too. And the kids.
when my son is born, I'll bring him from time to time to see his other siblings.
That's fine.
Kate. Please. If you need anything, don't hesitate to call me. I'll do same as well.